from Stefaniasilkarts with another silk painting. Also, I have been using for this one a strong pongee silk. I think it was a pongee 12 at the time, and I've used a variety of techniques. Again, the so-called Certi techniques, where you first draw your lines, color is applied last, and a little bit of a flow technique where I have been even mixing two different type of colors. One was steam fixed and the other heat fixed. Completely different colors, and that gave that beautiful kind of, 3D effect. A little bit dizziness is in it, and I enjoyed that very much. Now, this Buddha is actually a Gandhara Buddha. And the reason for this painting was an article that I read about the British Museum, where there was an exhibition of Gandhara Buddhas, so they are real. And these Gandhara Buddhas were saved from IS when the area of Ghandara between India and Pakistan was heavily bombarded. And they just basically destroyed everything that was called art. And so some of the Gandhara Buddhas were saved by the British. That touched me. Also, when I saw a photograph of that Buddha in stone, it was a stone Buddha, I was so touched by its beauty. And I just had to paint my own vision of it. And a little bit, there is a touch, just a touch of Modigliani in it. Don't ask me where it came from, it was just there. We have a little bit of orchid type flowers, a little bit of bamboo, and then here, of course, the lotus for clarity, for beauty, for transmission. Then there is a hummingbird, which is safely held in the hands of this Buddha, and obviously it's a smiling hummingbird, so it's pretty happy there. It's not squeezed, they're like friends together. They have a bond, they have an emotion, they have a friendship. And then there is this fragile feather which stands for fragility. Yeah, this is my Gandhara Buddha painting. The beauty of it was these Gandhara Buddhas were also exhibited. They went on tour at the Humboldt Museum in Berlin. Only a year ago or 2 years ago. COVID was just over. Never mind. I went to Berlin to the Humboldt Museum and I saw my friend. It was like seeing a friend. I was so touched, and actually the Buddha, I imagined him so big, was only that much, only that large. What a beauty. In the video you will see I enclosed some of the photos from that collection, and perhaps you find the Buddha that inspired me. Well, this is my Gandhara Buddha. I hope he does well. He has been already in 1 or 2 exhibitions. He was with me in Costa Rica, in Spain, in Vienna, with me here, and it's one of my favorites. So I hope you enjoy this Gandhara Buddha. I forgot the ears, and I only noticed once the painting was done. That's it. Thank you very much. Much love. Namaste.